Hello Jokers, thanks for watching this episode of Jokers Physiotherapy. Today I just wanted to share with you this particular article that came to my attention regarding an article in the Times written by David Walsh, chief sports writer, regarding ex-stars suing rugby for damage it did to their brains. Former players involved in legal action against the sports authorities tell David Walsh about their experiences of concussion in rugby and its devastating effects post-retirement. So the former players, Neil Spence, Tom Rock, Michael Lippman and Kieran Lowe are among the former rugby players taking legal action against the sport. And I think I know Michael Lippman, maybe I think I went to school with him, but obviously he played for England, so I'm not sure. But I did play soccer with his brother. Anyway, they did offer their own accounts and their symptoms and their struggles of post-retirement, and good on them for offering it must have taken guts to offer their own sometimes embarrassing stories. But I think they're doing it for the love of their sport, and they just want the rugby to obviously improve in welfare of the players and improve the awareness of the public. So in brief, almost 300 former rugby union players, professional and amateur, male and female, in class action against Rugby World Rugby, RFU and WRU, claimed that governing bodies failed in their duty of care. Litigants include 3 World Cup winners, 14 England internationals, 47 from Wales, 4 from Ireland and 6 from Scotland. 13 represented the British and Irish Alliance. Players say blows to the head caused dementia, depression and other illnesses. If successful, they will be in line for significant damages with serious financial consequences for the sport. Many are from the 20-year period after the game turned professional, when there was a huge increase in physicality and size. Legal defences to the claims yet to be filed, but in a joint statement, World Rugby, RFU and WRU said they championed their player welfare as the sport's top priority, were saddened to hear the stories and are investing to further advance the head injury assessment in elite rugby. So these guys offer their stories to the writer, and I just wanted to hone in on a particular aspect of this concussion. A concussion obviously has induced for these guys, they claim, chronic traumatic encephalopathy, which means encephalopathy means brain inflammation. And they have all these brain-related symptoms that are very severe. They're struggling, try to get through the day and through their life. They're still young. They've got the dementia. I have seen and have helped people with concussion-related migraines, and there are some studies that are currently conducted and shown, and also many studies are also underway, or at least some, and amongst our colleagues who specialize in treating migraine jaw through upper cervical spine, we have at least anecdotal evidence together that some of the concussion-related migraines, balance issues, emotional liability, as in they can easily trigger their emotions, often in a very erratic and angry manner. That's part of concussion. May improve with upper cervical treatment. So if you haven't had any treatment to your upper neck, you may not have neck pain as such, or neck issues or related issues around the neck and shoulders. But you can imagine, common sense is that if you've had a strong knock to your head, a lot of force would have gone through your neck, and if you've had the concussion, then your neck would have had a big beating. So, if you have suffered or are suffering from any symptoms, or if you know any family members who hasn't tried physiotherapy specific to the upper neck by a skilled clinician, please share the information or spread the word, at least to seek help from someone who deals with upper cervical spine assessment and treatment near your place, or at least inquire from a physiotherapist who may know a migraine specialized physiotherapist or headache specialized physiotherapist who treats upper cervical spine. Hopefully this will help improve the awareness that concussion, and if you are suffering from certain symptoms, and if you've been given clearance from doctors to seek help from a musculoskeletal professional who specializes in treating upper neck. So, thank you for watching this episode of Joker's Physiotherapy. And if you would like to be notified, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And I'll see you in another episode of Joker's Physiotherapy. Happy rehab. Cheers.